Hello. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. First, wait.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, can see.
Okay.
What's your full name, by the way? What's your full name?
Sorry.
What's your full name? What's your full name?
Raymond. Raymond.
Raymond. Raymond what?
Raymond.
Okay. Just Raymond?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Now see. This is for rent and for sale. So
Mm-hmm.
if we need to define different category,
Uh-huh.
like for rent, I can see. Wait. I create this page for test purpose. Only here
Mm-hmm.
when you go to for rent residential
Mm-hmm.
house for rent, you
Mm-hmm.
can see only
Mm-hmm.
for rent.
Mm-hmm.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
if I made for sale the same page,
Mm-hmm.
like that. Wait a minute, give me a second. You can see.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, can see. Yeah.
uh, okay.
Maybe. Can you see 𝗙𝗏? Maybe we should just create something like 𝗙𝗏. What do you think about that?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Did you see the website I just sent to you? It's called 𝗙𝗏. Can you see that?
Yes, I already see this.
Okay. Yeah. So it looks like just a little bit simpler. So you can just put for rent, for sale, so that it will not be complicated.
Yes, I already see that, but they
Yeah.
are made by custom field in this type. So you
Custom
can, yeah,
field.
yeah, they is you can see the link for grade.html.
Uh-huh.
See that?
That's HTML. Uh-huh.
They made this custom.
Custom.
Yeah,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
you can see. For rent, I made this page. See that?
Mm-hmm.
This is
Mm-hmm.
house rent. This is
Mm-hmm.
house rent for 𝗙𝗏. Only
Mm-hmm.
show rent category. Uh, uh,
Mm-hmm.
for the same process, if I make a page
Mm-hmm.
for sale, like that,
For sale. Mm-hmm.
sell only status to integrate sell, delete for rent.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You can see for sell category. See that?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So for
Yeah,
the
I
rent,
see that.
and sell, we need to make
Mm-hmm.
this page single page. It look like good.
Mm-hmm.
You can see that. Here a lot
Yeah,
more.
I can see.
This is a lot clicks. See that?
Can you make like 3 pages? Three instead of two, maybe 3 rows. How do you call it? 3 rows. So yeah,
Three rows.
1, 2,
Wait, wait,
3.
wait.
Because I follow one. Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
that.
Mm,
Wait, 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 that's not integrate. Yes, like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Something like that.
So we need to make every menus for single page.
Mm-hmm.
You got it?
Yeah.
There are 3 and 2, 5. There are 3
Mm-hmm.
and 5, 8 and 5, 13. Need to 13 page like that.
Mm-hmm.
So can I make that?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Another question?
No, I have no question.
Okay. Yeah, so let's make it 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 instead of 2. So
Okay,
it makes it everything should be 3.
it will be like that, 3 rows.
Yeah. It's like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, we'll talk soon.
Thank you.
No problem.